TC0VII. Tom, again, on a nice, gorgeous Saturday morning, and I'm in St. Ansgar for once. We're going to probably have to change the name to the channel to Ham Radio RV Car Show because of the fact that we are at another car show. There's going to be a lot of them this spring. We are actually here at the Good Samaritan Society. This is our local retirement community here in St. Ansgar. This is our second annual car show. They put it on last year, mainly for the guests, you would say the people who stay here, along with the staff, and allow the general public to come and look at it. But it also allowed the local guys to actually show off their cars that may not be able to go out to the bigger car shows in the area. Let's take a walk around, see what we can see. Again, enjoy the cars. Sorry about the wind noise on the intro, but the new mic has not arrived yet. You can't have a car show in St. Ansgar without a couple of tractors showing up. These two Farmall tractors look better than they did when they rolled off the factory floor. A lot of pride was put into these when they were being restored. Talking to the ladies that were organizing this, last year they said it was on a Friday night. They had a very good turnout. They thought if they did it on a Saturday, they'd get more cars. Unfortunately, they're competing with some other car shows in the area. So they decided that next year, the third annual, will be back on a Friday night. Keep your eye on social media, the Good Sam's page, the Chamber page, for the date and time. 7-3, everybody. Take care. Be sure to tell your friends, neighbors, other hams. Subscribe, hit that bell to get notification when new videos come out. Add comments below. 7-3, everybody.